What was the Midnight Judges, controversy and its impact? Imagine the final days of a presidency filled with last-minute decisions that could shape the future of the government. That's what happened in 1801 with the so-called Midnight Judges. President John Adams was about to leave office, and he wanted to make sure his Federalist Party kept influence in the courts. So, he used a law called the Judiciary Act of 1801 to create new judgeships. These appointments were rushed through late at night, earning them the nickname Midnight Judges. Adams signed commissions for these judges just before Thomas Jefferson was set to become president. Jefferson, a Democratic Republican, strongly opposed these appointments. He believed Adams and the Federalists were trying to hold onto power by stacking the courts. Jefferson told his Secretary of State, James Madison, not to deliver some of the commissions. One of the appointees, William Marbury, never received his official papers. Marbury then took his case to the Supreme Court, asking the court to force Madison to give him his commission. This case became known as Marbury v. Madison. Chief Justice John Marshall, who was himself one of Adams's Midnight Judges, wrote the court's opinion. He agreed Marbury had a right to his commission but said the court couldn't force Madison to deliver it. Marshall explained that the law Marbury relied on, the Judiciary Act of 1789, was unconstitutional because it gave the Supreme Court powers beyond what the Constitution allowed. This decision was a turning point. It established the principle of judicial review, which means the Supreme Court can review laws passed by Congress and decide if they go against the Constitution. This gave the judiciary a key role in balancing the other branches of government. It also made clear that the Constitution is the supreme law of the land, and all government actions must follow it. The controversy showed how political fights can influence the courts, but its main impact was strengthening the power of the judiciary. It made sure that no law or executive action could override the Constitution. This case became a foundation for protecting individual rights and maintaining the separation of powers among the branches of government. The Midnight Judges controversy and the Marbury v. Madison case are important because they help define the role of the courts in safeguarding the rights of citizens and ensuring the government stays within its constitutional limits.